I am here to show you how to make a few things today. Well, actually, I'm not going to do a few things. It's going to be a super simple, quick video on how to actually make a napkin ring holder with Dollar Tree products. So this, as you can see, is a simple Dollar Tree 6-piece napkin ring holder. $1 Dollar Tree. This is some carrots that I got from Dollar Tree that I'm going to use to embellish the napkin ring holder. These are some napkins that I had from Walmart, which were $2 a piece. It was like $1.74 or something like that. So just round it off to $2. You need glue sticks because I'm going to be using glue sticks for mine. You can use glue dots or whatever. If you want to choose to change the embellishment out, I would probably use something different than that. A glue gun. And I have scissors to cut my tag for the napkin. So with that being said, let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is take one of the napkin ring holders. Take one of these carrots. I don't want to be on video right now, guys. I'm sorry. That's why I'm not showing my face. I look freaking crazy. Like, crazy. These cute, super cute little carrots. Sorry about my ashy hands. They're so cute. So I'm just gonna take this and stick this here. So as you can see, I'm just gonna put dot of glue on there, and I'm just gonna stick the carrot to there. And there, that's what you have. You have a super cute little napkin holder. Now, sit that right there, let it dry. Look, finally got it. If you can get this stand up on my plate, you can see how cute it is. Super, super simple. So, take your napkin. I'm gonna cut the tag off. The handkerchief deal. Pull it through. And look how stinking cute. Super simple. This will cost nothing. Not super expensive, and it's just something, you know, if you want to just decorate your table for Easter. How cute is that? Stinking cute, right? So, just to show you how quick it is, why not just do the rest of them? Why not just do the rest of them? There's a line on here, guys. You'll see that if you want to use that line as your center, let me see. If you want to use that line as your center, that's what you can do. If you want to be able to take this off, I wouldn't put much glue on it. But this project is like super cheap to the point where it's something I can save if I want, but it's not something that I will make a priority to save, because they might come out with something cuter next year, and I might want to do something different. But And you can decorate the whole if you want to. Put some balloons, you can glitter them. Maybe you should also things that you can do. Power thing.